That's right, it's time for an oil change. Okay guys, I'm going to teach you how to do an oil change on a Honda Civic. I'm driving a 2017 Honda Civic Sport Touring hatchback with a manual transmission. It's a pretty good car. I'm almost at 10,000 kilometers and the oil life is down to about 15%. So I'm going to do an oil change today. Okay, now before you pull that drain plug and let the oil out of your engine, you're going to want to take it for a quick drive. You're going to want to bring the engine up to operating temperature. This is going to help the oil heat up as well, and it's going to help it drain out of the engine. Now, a quick word of warning here, folks. That means the engine and the oil, as well as the exhaust, which is right next to where you drain it, are all going to be hot. So make sure you use caution. It's time for an oil change on this Honda Civic. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is. All you really need, oil filter, oil, and a wrench, a couple of ramps in a few minutes. Okay, so what we've got here is a metal tray underneath the engine which has to be removed so we can access the drain plug. Let's see if I can get you guys a good view of it. Three, four, five, 6, 7, 8. Should be pretty easy. 2, we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. 6, are going to use a flat tip. It's much easier if you use a much larger Phillips head screwdriver. There are 6 of these little guys holding it in. You just need to twist them half a turn and then they'll pop right out.
I got this style, you feel that soul, but still you play the radio. I changed my name 2 years ago, left that old sound.
Then you need to take your crusty old oil tray, put it underneath where the oil is going to fall so you don't spill it on your driveway. Now take our 17mm socket, put it on the end of the drain plug and open her up.
Tell me something that I want to hear. All that criticism in my head goes out my ears. The right resolve is never in the need to grab a hold. Despite it all, think I should let it go. So don't change. He says don't stray, stay your own. They say follow where we go. These days kings race for their thrones. Their tall tales boost their egos. Lately I sit back with the view. Take all this time to think anew. Ways to express what's going unsung. Translate them to
Okay, so oil's been draining. You're gonna wanna let this drain for about 15 minutes, get as much of that old oil out as you can. Then you put the drain plug in, you change your filter, and you fill your oil. Watch this. Okay, once the oil slowed down to a slow drip, time to put in the drain plug.
I'm senseless, but I'm focused. You fell asleep when I wrote this. We so dope, don't quote this. Yeah, I know these songs will stay. Tell me something that I want to hear. All that criticism in my head goes out my ears. The right resolve is never given, need to grab a hold. Despite it all, think I should let it go. So don't change. He says don't stray, stay your own. They say follow where we go. East there's kings race for their thrones. Their tall tales boost their egos. Lately I sit back with the view. Take all this time to think anew. Ways to express what's going unsung. Translate them to my native tongue.
Now before you put this fancy tray back in under the car, I suggest you put the oil in the engine. That way if any of it misses and drips down, it's not sitting on that tray.
guess I see you somewhere around. I guess I